Hey, this is Bob Van Allen with this week's step on the road to the rebrand.
Happy Monday to you all. I hope you had a really enjoyable Easter weekend, got to enjoy some of the sunshine that we had. So listen, we've had lots of online meetings, particularly sales meetings, social opportunities for you guys to stay connected to one another, and that's all been very important. But one thing that we've been missing that we're layering in starting today is an opportunity to focus specifically on business topics that will help you when we get to what I'm calling the flip side of this whole coronavirus thing. And who knows when that'll be, but for the near-term future, we are bringing you every Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 9 to 10 a.m. We're going to have a Zoom meeting facilitated by either myself, Susan Hansen, or one of our managing brokers. And we're going to pick one topic to deep dive and actually present to you some education around it, but also invite you to come and collaborate and share best practices around that specific topic. So, for instance, this morning, right here in just a little under an hour, we're going to be diving into Social Ad Engine, which is a tool that Coldwell Banker brings us to help optimize our Facebook posts. If you're using Facebook marketing and advertising for your listings, you're definitely going to want to check that out. This Wednesday, Blair Allison is going to be guiding us through tips and techniques for doing virtual showings and some of the best practices that you guys are sharing on that. And then this Friday, I'm going to be bringing you Facebook Live do's and don'ts. And so what this is, once more, is an opportunity for us to show you some business topics that are applicable to you and your business, help you come to a place where you can learn and grow, but most importantly, put these bits of information and these tips into action. That's the most important thing right now as we're thinking about coming out of the flip side of this thing. I want us focused 100% on what are activities that are going to carry us through. And so we want to get you into action, and we want to provide a space for you guys to come together, learn, and collaborate specifically on these deep dive business topics. So that schedule will come out every Friday afternoon in Dayra's weekly email Friday afternoon with all of the links for the following week's classes and sales meetings and social opportunities. So you're not going to want to miss that. Plug into what looks good for you, and don't plug in for the topics that aren't important to you, but definitely want to encourage you to participate and be a part of this as you focus on growing your business, even in the midst of this crazy coronavirus time. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have an awesome week. We'll look forward to seeing you soon.